Hi friends, welcome back to Desire School channel. In this video you will learn about emissive material and usage of this in creating neon light in Lumion. So if you like to know more about it, stay with me. Okay, now I'm gonna create a material for neon lamp, which is emissive material by itself. To create it, select the object and add a standard material to that. From colorization menu, pick the color you want. Here I choose the pale blue. In the material menu, go to the setting tab and increase the emissive option. As you can see, the object starts to radiate the blue light from itself. You have to set the right emissive amount for this material after adjusting render effects, because the render effects affect on the glowing amount of emissive materials in a final render.